and move off. Good observation, blind spot check and move off.
You will arrive at your destination at 11:12 a.m.
Right mirror check and go.
After 100 yards, turn left, then take the third left. Turn left, then take the third left.
Slowly creep forward and stop. Turn left. Yeah, and go now. Follow the satna. Where are you going next?
Turning left to the
End. Okay, that's fine. So those traffic lights, you are turning left. Okay. You're following the road to the left. So
After 200 yards, turn left, then ahead. Keep left.
come in left lane here.
Turn left, then ahead.
Not here.
Keep left.
After this.
yeah.
Now. If you signal from there, people are
Yeah.
gonna think you're going here.
Realize, yeah.
Okay, so don't do that. Keep it to the left when you turn in. That's fine. Follow the road ahead and follow the sat nav. And now where are you going next?
Ahead. Keep left.
Keep it, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Look at the light as well.
After 400 yards, keep left, then turn left.
So your left turn is coming soon, okay? So it's 300 yards, you're gonna turn left. Don't go so fast because you're gonna turn left soon. Slow down. Not this one, next one. Next left turn is your
Keep
turn.
left,
Okay?
then turn left.
Slow down and
After
then next left
100 yards, turn left.
Signal left. Slow down
Turn left.
and turn. It's a cycle lane, so you need to look for the cyclist. Look in your left mirror and then pull up to the left somewhere where it's safe. I'm gonna pull up there, okay? Here. Little bit to the right, you don't wanna hit the curb. Okay? We stop here, few second break, and then we go, okay? Can you see the sign? What's that sign mean?
To keep going.
Okay. So from here, if you see approaching car
You have to
after the
stop at the different-
after the bollard here, so you stop, give them way, and then go. If they're behind the yellow bollard, then you can go.
Okay.
But if
they're
they
any
cross,
closer.
yeah, if they're any closer, you stop, give them way, then you can go. Okay.
Yeah.
So drink your water, take a break, then we go. Okay? Just for a few seconds. Okay, let's get ready to move off now. Blind spot check, look around. There's a car behind you, okay? So don't go. Now go. Check again. There's a car coming, so we need to give way to the car, okay? Slow down. Right mirror check and then go. No one's coming. No, then go. Now left mirror check, come to the left lane. Look at the instruction. Where are you going next?
Second on the roundabout.
Yeah. What's this sign mean? This one?
That means I have priority over them.
So you can go. That's good. They wait for you now. Mini roundabout is here. So are you gonna go ahead?
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Check there, look there, and then go. If no one's coming, just go. Don't stop. Yeah, go. No one's coming from there. Go around and go. Now we're gonna flip to the left where it's safe. So we signal there. Move forward more. Slow down and we pull up here. That's it. Just we pull up for a few seconds and then we move off when you are ready, okay?
Yeah.
Please get ready to move off. Look around, blind spot check and move off. Look at the sat nav as well for the next instruction. So you prepared for it, okay? Then for your next turn.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
So the second exit, okay?
Yeah.
So look on the right. If it's safe, then you can go. Otherwise, stop.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
There's a car coming fast. More coming. Get ready and go. Check your mirror and go.